2020 2020 इस साल से मुझे बहुत उम्मीदें थी. 2020 a year which was supposed to be the greatest.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I had entered in the new year with joy, laughter, positive energy and increased passion for my work. किसी को आइडिया नहीं था कि what was about to happen.
To the fire catastrophe in Australia, where the nation's largest evacuation is now underway.
The coronavirus is a pandemic.
They're digging mass graves for those who can't afford a funeral.
मुझे पता चल गया था कि this year would be the toughest year world will notice. Many lost their loved ones, their homes, their jobs, and ultimately their belief for brighter future. All 8 billion people have their unique story to tell about this extraordinary year. आज मैं अपनी स्टोरी आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. This is my year 2020. At beginning of the year, I was working as a freelancer with various agencies. Creating content on daily basis for clients was my only goal. I traveled Ahmedabad, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata and Nagpur in a month only for work. काम करते करते मैंने महसूस किया I need a small break every month. So I decided to go Nepal. नेपाल मैंने सिक्किम से एंटर किया. For that, I need to cross Sandakphu ranges. These are some glimpses of Sandakphu.
When you're screaming out, but you can't make a sound, you know it's only a dream. When your back hits the ground and things turn around, you know it was only a dream. 'Cause nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Oh, 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 oh. Detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. Oh, 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 oh. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down.
Sandakphu trek was an adventurous and mind-blowing experience. In Feb, my next trip was to Jodhpur. This trip was with my family. I spent my best time with them in Jodhpur.
When the roof caves in and you just can't win, you know it'll only get better, only get better. When you fall too far, can't go back to the start, you know it'll only get better, only get better. Nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Oh, 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 oh. Detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. Oh, 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 oh. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold
In March, I flew to Northeast India. Plan was to cover whole Northeast India in just 10 days. But 3 दिन बाद कुछ ऐसा देखने मिलता है.
The first confirmed case of novel coronavirus reported from Kerala.
कोरोना संक्रमण के मामले बढ़ रहे हैं. महामारी के डराने वाली जो खबर इस बीच आई, तो कोरोना वायरस से जंग के लिए पूरी तरह कैसे तैयार हैं, ये हम तस्वीरें लगातार आपको दिखा रहे हैं.
स्वास्थ्य मंत्री डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन ने आज कोरोना पर बैठक की. बोले हर एहतियात बरत रही है सरकार.
तो here I was, back in Mumbai, doing my quarantine. I just left my job. कोई कंपनी के पास ताकत नहीं थी कि वो फ्रीलांस प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंस करे. I was sleeping, watching Netflix, eating, and again sleeping. I knew this was not I wanted to be like. So I started constructing my brain accordingly. I learned new skills every day. I started doing exercises on daily basis. Besides this, it was nice to spend some quality time with the family again, because over the last years, I barely had time to do this, as I was always working or traveling. COVID is not going to get over after this lockdown, or maybe it may take few months or years. मैं सिचुएशन तो चेंज नहीं कर सकता हूँ, पर सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग लाइफ तो चेंज कर सकता हूँ. I started working out harder, did cycling every day, so that I can make my immune system stronger.
कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी के खिलाफ लड़ते लड़ते अब हम अनलॉक 2 में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं.
Finally, the day comes. I flew to Rajasthan and explored Mewar for 2 months. These are some wonderful memories of Mewar in Rajasthan.
It'll only get better when you fall too far. Can't go back to the start, you know. It'll only get better. Nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Oh, 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 oh. Detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. Oh, 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 oh. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you
all ups and downs which 2020 threw at me, I feel that I didn't had the best starting point for the successful year. But through determination, peace, patience, and shift in the mindset, I was able to turn this into one of the most exciting and challenging year of my life. 2020 will be the year we won't forget.